The caterpillars for Monica's butterfly farm are finally here, so we're about to open them up.
Are they okay?
I don't know. I can't.
Maybe they're eggs.
It's looking like none of them are alive, so I'm trying to figure out what we're gonna do.
Okay, so we have a little hole. We texted them and they say they might be asleep.
Looked on the website and it says if they're not moving, please wait a few days for them to wake up.
Okay, got it.
Okay, I feel pretty confident that they are not alive.
Don't toss them in there though.
Well, that's not what you're supposed to do. Okay, so you're supposed to take the...
That's why I took it off, Mom.
Remove the lid from the caterpillar cup and discard the lid. Okay. Place the caterpillar cup all the way into the chamber until it touches the chamber bottom. Make sure all the caterpillars are inside the cup. Reattach the chamber lid to the chamber. Okay, so I'm supposed to put the cup... What?
I showed them the instructions.
You know how to engineer a knife?
Yes.
Okay, this is try number 2. The first time we got the caterpillars,
They were dead.
They were dead.
Take 2. Take 2.
And
This is take 2.
opening them, and we're really hoping for the best.
What the heck?
Are they alive?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, I think they are alive because they're on the top. They guarantee that 3 of them are alive.
Only 3.
So
Don't worry. Only 3. Only 3. Just only 3. Yeah.
Get your caterpillar thing. It's very hot. Well, I think they're alive. Yeah, I mean, they're up on the wall, so I think they're alive.
Yeah, they're
They only gave us 3. That's funny. Like, oh, you only get 3 because...
They should be. Only 3 will be alive. But they gave us more than 3. They gave us like 5.
I know, but I guess because they were replacements. Like, I'm trying to scam the
system. My creature.
Dude, this one's alive.
Oh, yay! Y'all, they're alive. We only got 1. We only got 1, y'all. Wait, that one's for the other one.
I know, this is the old one. I'm saying this one's alive.
Yo, one survived. Oh, yeah.
So do I put,
Just put him in there. That's good. That's good.
Hey, bud.
Hey, buddy, we love you. He's our miracle child.
So now what we're supposed to do is they're supposed to wait. They're supposed to cocoon, I guess, after when they're ready, and they hang from the top.
That guy's probably just gonna like cocoon tomorrow because he's pretty big.
Yeah.
He's like very big.
I can't believe we didn't even notice.
Yeah, that's like.
So yeah, so this is, we get them like this. You put them into this transformation chamber.
And then hallelujah.
And then in 7 to 10 days, they cocoon on the top of it.
So that guy's about to like cocoon like tomorrow. Because it's been like more than 7 days.
And then we, I guess, take them out of the chamber. Yeah, then we take the bottom. Wait. Wait, I didn't take... I don't know, I'm so confused right now. I'm supposed to leave the bottom, the screen part off, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we will update soon. Today is Sunday. I don't remember what time. When did we get these? It was
like Friday.
Yeah. So no, it's been before that. So that one maybe Thursday.
We don't know. We don't keep track.
Okay, but we're talking about butterflies. Okay, so Monica just checked in on the caterpillars, and it looks like one is cocooning.
No, 2.
2?
Yeah, 2. You see?
Oh, yeah.
2 ones.
So I was.
And then this guy is trying to get up here to cocoon too.
But they're not like. I don't know how long it takes to take a full.
It takes like 10 to 12 days. I bet.
But you know, the one we had like a week longer than the other one, so I'm kind of worried. What if one of them is still not cocooning and the others are cocooning, and we need to take this part off so that when they turn into a butterfly, like hopefully one won't be turning into a butterfly while the other one is not even cocooning yet. So I don't know, but this is where we're at with the caterpillars.
I love them.
Labor Day, right?
Oh yeah.
So we've had them 1 week.
One of them
And
accidentally
they're
fell.
in their chrysalis, and one fell, and so I need to unscrew this so that when they turn into butterflies they can be free. But when I unscrew, I'm pretty sure it's going to knock them off here because this webbing is hanging in here, so I'm a little bit nervous, but like I have to do it.
Maybe if they fall, we could like put this part like at the bottom of the cage and screw this back on there, so when they hatch, they'll be free. But is that a good idea?
Good. Okay.
Wait, but what do we?
I guess it just sits there.
Maybe we put the other guy outside and let him free. How about we do that? He can be free somewhere. Oh, you were gonna do this? Okay, that actually is a good idea. So she's lifting this so she can put it under. It's kind of a struggle though to get it back on. I'll hold this. Sorry about the bad recording. I'm trying to help her while I do this. Family. Caterpillars, so she put the cage in.
Okay, no, let go so I can do it without like resistance because the other guys are like shaking like crazy. Okay, now listen, from here on out, let's not move it anymore, okay?
Yeah, because we can see it pretty good. And we don't. So here it is now, and our fish are doing good, if you're wondering.
So I just got back from taking the girls to school and glanced up at the top of the refrigerator, and last night we put the butterfly habitat up there because we had Lainey and Amelia over and Mackenzie and Jackson, everybody for my birthday, and we didn't want the little girls grabbing the butterflies, the caterpillars. So we put it up there, and I glanced up there and I couldn't see the chrysalis anymore, and I thought, oh my god, I knocked them off whenever I moved it up there. But there's actually a butterfly in here, and one of them did fall down. I guess he knocked it down whenever he came out, so I'm hoping that one's going to be okay. But Monica is going to be so excited when she gets home. So there's two now. Monica doesn't know yet.
There's two now? A dinosaur.
So I didn't know there was only one this morning, and I was kind of worried because the one when he, I guess.
Oh no, that was hatching.
No, that's.
No, that was hatching.
Oh, you're right. The one inside the thing?
Yeah, it's hatching.
You're right.
I told you.
Oh my god, it's like doing it right now.
It was hatching. That's why it's black. Oh. I told you, Mom. In the
You're
car,
right.
I called it.
I don't know if you can see. It is hatching. I thought it wasn't.
He's so pretty, though.
He's probably like having more trouble because he's in that sticky stuff. Or she.
He or she. We can't tell.
Well, so.
Where's the other one?
Yeah.
That one's right in there. I don't know if she's doing something.
Wait, are you sure that's not the one, the original one?
Yeah, that's the original one.
Because there's two.
That one's doing gritty.
Yeah, because there's only.
That one's the original.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think that is the original one.
Because it's so big.
Yeah, and now I'm afraid he's got his. We need to take that cup out of there because I think it's getting all that sticky stuff. Unless it's eating. I don't know. I don't know what's happening.
Is he eating? What do we do?
I don't know.
We're gonna lift it up and then there's gonna be butterflies. We should have thought about that.
Yeah, we should have. I hope it's not like stuck.
Me too. Like, she's scaring me. They're so pretty though. Oh, he's getting out.
But see, this morning I looked up there and it's still in the refrigerator from whenever he was here yesterday. And I thought that I saw only one was hanging from up here. And I was like, oh crap, did I knock it down? And that's when I went to get it and realized that.
But is that blood? That's like, maybe it's like he's getting a period.
No, Monica, that doesn't happen.
Oh, I'm sorry. This one's so pretty though. He's just flapping. Is one okay?
A second. So we're worried about this one.
Oh, that was you. I'm not gonna say that.
I understand that. I get it.
Hold on. Block it.
Okay, hold,
Get
just
it.
hold,
We
okay.
got it. We got this. Is he alright?
I don't know. Don't touch him. Hold on. I don't know if their wings are getting stuck on all that stuff.
Is he breathing?
Yeah, he's moving.
Hey, that's good. What?
Oh, that stuff stinks.
Should we release him outside so we don't have any difficulties?
Hey, go get,
Tweezers?
no, that might pinch him. Paper towel. One of the Chrysalises was in here, and so we left it in there. But I think they keep getting stuck in there.
I got the best roll of play. I got Nemo.
Where's your...
See, buddy, we're gonna help you. It's gonna be alright. Let me just.
Okay.
He's like, did you just?
This came from drama.
You don't know how excited I got when I found out when she said the beginning of my name. I already knew she was.
Okay, he's fine.
Oh, it's okay. We got this. Television. It's okay, buddy. Wait, we gotta help you. Do you want me to get a like?
I'm not sure if he's fully formed, done forming yet. See how he's got that? Hold on, let's try to put him back in here. That way he's not going to get stuck in the...
You're doing it very close to the other one.
Well...
Hey, buddy, it's okay. No, we don't want to go here. We go in here. Operation done.
Except for the toilet paper we just left in there.
It's fine.
See, I'm not sure what's wrong with the rest of his... I don't know if his body's not fully formed yet. Did you see what I'm talking about?
Oh, that's what all the red stuff is coming from. So he's okay. He's okay right now. Camera audience, he's okay. If you're wondering,
It almost looks like the back of him is still caterpillar.
oh,
But I don't know if he came out too early. What are you doing that for?
it's kind of.
But he does... Is he... like bleeding?
Oh no, that's probably just the stuff. I'm searching something. I think it's the stuff that comes out that helped him form, and it got some of it.
So is he still transforming? Is that what's happening?
Link in the description if he's okay by the end of this.
What?
Take him up in a bunch of dogs and a bunch of cotton balls.
What?
That'd be like a cocoon.
They're having fun, I guess. Well, I mean, they're having. Open your wings, buddy, please. Buddy boy, open your wings, buddy boy. I think he's hungry. You can see his. You okay? I went to the bathroom to buy some good for the day.
That's great, Montana. I'm glad that's part of our caterpillar video. I truly am.
What do we feed them again? They're probably hungry.
You could do like sugar water or.
Sugar water?
But hold on, no. Or like fruit. So.
I can get some strawberries or something.
Yeah, just get like a strawberry and. I feel like I need to take that toilet paper out of there now.
Oh, do we have any? I don't know if we have any.
We have some blueberries.
Blueberry, yeah, I've seen them now. Hi, Minnie. Hi, sweet Minnie.
Let's see where it came out of there.
Is Pumpkin okay?
Oh, that's not gonna work. So Monica was right. We should have done a time lapse because we have 3 butterflies now. It's butterfly release day.
Okay, so we're releasing them because it's time.
So maybe just take the top off? You want to just take the top off?
No, I want to do the net thing.
Well, maybe they'll fly out the top. I'm afraid you're going to do the net and it's going to be crazy. They're all spread out and pretty.
I don't want to.
Okay, do whatever you want to do then.
Oh my god. No.
See, I think you need to do the top, and I'm afraid they're going to get caught like that.
Okay. Stop. Are y'all ready, kids? They don't know what's going on. They're like, they're having a party. Tina, Mom can't see. They're literally having a full-on party. Are y'all gonna go?
Well, maybe you can raise the sides a little. I just don't want I don't want them to get hurt. Like, that's where he is. And
Monica. That one flew away. Oh my gosh. I love
he
him.
flew like so far.
Yeah. I can't see him anymore. Are you ready? Y'all ready? Come on. You gotta turn around.
We don't need a cat in here. Here.
It's time to go. Oh, this one's the one with that's half caterpillar. Bye. Let me just raise this one. Who knows what's going on? Oh. I got this.
Watch out for, don't let Vader. Oh.
Bye. That was a beautiful ceremony.
Man, they're flying so, they're just like, whoa.
They don't know.
Look, there's one.
Yeah, I see.
Wait, I actually don't know if that was one or not. Is it?
Yeah, this one. Oh, there's one. He's coming back. Oh my god.
He's so happy.
I wonder which one that was. I think that was the last one, so
Maybe they'll stay around here.
we should have named them. They probably will. We should have named them.
Look at the 2 over
Stacked
there.
on blueberry.
See?
Oh,
Look,
they're
look.
playing. Where are they?
Over by the woods.
They're in the field.
Maybe they'll stay around. Maybe if you keep getting more caterpillars and letting them go, they'll just create a whole
Family.
Yeah.
Yep, let's do that. Let's order them right